Hey YouTube, JW. Got a pretty cool knife for you to take a look at today. Just got it in. Pretty nice. It's a Balisong butterfly from Outlaw Cutlery. They basically took an M-Tech twist and made it a whole lot better. Got that nice bronze finish on it. I got it from my friends at Key West Knife Works. They shipped it super fast. It's got the nice phosphate bronze finish on it. They redesigned the pins on here instead of the pivot screws. It's 5.3 ounces, so it's a nice heavy duty Balisong for flipping. I'm not much of a flipper. I don't have that many Balisongs. I've got some that are old that I've had for a long time, but I've kind of gotten the Balisong bug, and I always like the looks of the bronze butterfly knives, which you don't see as much anymore. So basically they took a budget Balisong and made it a whole lot better for not much more money. Put a nice spring latch on here. Take a look at that Weehawk blade. It's a 9 1/4 inch Balisong. And it's got the nice spring latch there. Get a close look at it. And it is smooth. It's one-piece skeletonized cast stainless handles. Like I said, it's 5.3 ounces. It's a 420 stainless blade. And it's very sharp. It's got a music wire plated spring for the latch. It's got a nice pop to it when you push it together. The price was 40 bucks, which, like I said, an M-Tech twist is a budget Balisong knife, and probably somewhere along the lines of maybe a Bear butterfly knife. Let's check the sharpness here. Like I said, it's very sharp. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this. They told me this is the very first one that was shipped out. Once again, it's Outlaw Cutlery. It's an exclusive. They basically just made it the BTT, better than twist, and I really like it. I like the looks of it. I like the weight. It's super smooth, and for 40 bucks, it's really hard to beat. I'm not a big Balisong person. I'm more into the switchblades and auto knives, but I'd have to say I think it's definitely worth taking a look at. I'll put a link below to Key West Knives, and if you're interested, give them a call. This was a limited production run that they did on these, seeing what they're going to do, and they just came out, and I recommend picking one up. Thanks for watching.